want you to meet a new up-and-coming designer. Her name is Gemma Russo. This is Gemma. Gemma took some of my online fashion design courses, and then about a year ago, she decided to start her own brand, and she hired me as a consultant, and I'm so proud of her. Look at her stuff. In 1 year, she was able to accomplish so much. She's got a great tasting fabrics and colors, combining velvets with sheers and one-shoulder dresses and so on. Very European, very classy, yet with a touch of avant-garde. Beautiful stuff. Look at the fabric, how it moves. Beautiful. And she actually started with sweats. Sweatshirts, sweatpants, hoodies, right? Some basic, very simple stuff. And now she's doing everything, including purses. Look at this purse. Beautiful purses, great quality. I believe they're made in Italy, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm so happy for her. She's come a long way. All this in 1 year. So proud of Gemma. Go Gemma.